guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be how I did all 4 Disney World parks in 2 days. If you guys are planning a trip to Disney World and you don't have a lot of time and you're only going to go for a couple of days, here is how you can get all 4 parks done in 2 days. It's crazy, but it can be done. Do not forget to subscribe if you guys are new to the channel, and don't forget to click the bell to be notified every time I upload, because you don't want to miss any. I know what you might be thinking. Why would you want to do all 4 parks in 2 days? Simple answer for me is I love Disney World. If I go there for 1 day, I'm going to try to see as much as I possibly can in those 24 hours that I'm there. And my first tip may not seem like a tip, but stay on Disney grounds. The reason I suggest to stay on Disney property is A, there is Disney transportation to the parks, and you also get early access to the parks. And what do I mean by that? Early access is 30 minutes prior to the park opening. You will be able to be in the park and get a head start on doing what you want to do. So for example, when I just went a couple of weeks ago, we went into Hollywood Studios. We went immediately to Toy Story Land, and we got all of the stuff in Toy Story Land done before the park even opened in a half an hour. So my first tip is stay on Disney grounds. You do get a lot of extra perks that you won't get staying in a regular hotel. The next tip is going to rattle some feathers, but be up early. I know that it's a vacation, but Disney is never a vacation. Disney time is crucial. 5 minutes could make a wait time go from 10 minutes to an hour. It's just that quick. So be up early. If you know that the Magic Kingdom bus is coming at around 7 o'clock, you should be in line about 30 to 45 minutes prior. You want to be on one of those first buses getting into the park, and I'll tell you why. There does become a line to get into the park. So all of the other Disney World guests that are staying on Disney property are also getting the same early access that you are. So the earlier you are to the park, because then you can go and be one of the first people to ride your rides and continue on to the next thing. One thing about Disney is you're going to need a vacation from your vacation. Trust me on that. I've been doing this for a long time. So my next tip I know is controversial. I've seen a lot of people back and forth, whether they like it, whether they don't like it. This is going to be a brief opinion of what I think of it. Get DisneyGenie Plus. If you have not been to Disney World since the change from FastPass to DisneyGenie Plus, here is what the difference is. FastPass, you would pre-select the time and the ride. Mind you, they changed the tiers of FastPass closer to the end of its lifetime, and it wasn't really worth it anymore. Yes, it was free, but for me, I just don't think it was worth it. You got one major ride and other rides that were kind of had no wait time anyway. Why I love DisneyGenie Plus so much is because we rode 6 or 7 rides using the DisneyGenie Plus service. That is double what you could do on FastPass. And there is a charge. It is $15 per ticket. Now, when you think about it, $15 when you're already spending thousands of dollars at Disney isn't really much. So I recommend wholeheartedly to just save up the little extra bit of money that it would cost to get the DisneyGenie Plus service. If you guys do want to see a whole video on how to use the DisneyGenie Plus service, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up, because it can be hard to navigate when you first get into the app. This next tip also has to go with the DisneyGenie Plus service. Be on top of your selections. And I mean that like be on your phone. I know you're on vacation and you want to relax and step away from the world of your phone, but honestly, Disney has changed so much that they are gravitating very much towards mobile usage in the park. It's just the way of the world, guys. It's 2022. Unfortunately, technology is going to take over. I know this next one is going to step on some people's toes, so don't come for me. This is just my opinion on how I think you should handle Disney World if you are on a time crunch. Skip the rides that aren't crucial. We skipped Peter Pan, Small World. We didn't do the whole Star Wars section, Galaxy's Edge. I'm not a Star Wars person. My sister's not a Star Wars person. I've ridden those rides a handful of times already, so I was okay missing them, but I did get to ride my favorite rides twice or 3 times. Not gonna lie, I went on Expedition Everest 4 times in a row until I literally got so sick. I was like, I cannot ride it anymore. My next tip is pre-planning. Pre-planning for your trip is going to be crucial when it comes to Disney World. My sister and I are the type of people that will watch the wait times on our Disney app and see what the week or 2 ahead wait times are looking like. Just so when we go to make our DisneyGenie Plus reservations, we're kind of organized and we're not getting in the park and running all over and we're unsure what to do. If you are only doing Disney World for a few days, whether that be 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, I wouldn't suggest you do this for 4 because you can just do 1 park each day. But park hopping, that is something I have not done ever since I was a small child. But me and my sister did it this past time that we went for just our quick little trip. And we did 2 parks a day, which was crazy, but we did get everything done. So how we did it this time was we paired Animal Kingdom in the morning with Magic Kingdom at night. So with park hopping, they allow you in the park at 2 p.m. So you cannot use your second park reservation until 2 p.m. So we got into Magic Kingdom at 2 and we had till 10 at night. So we had a full 8 hours to get everything we wanted done. We also paired Hollywood Studios in the morning and then we paired Epcot at night. And the reason that we did that was because Hollywood Studios at the current moment does not have a nighttime show. Fantasmic is not back yet, I don't think. And Epcot does have their new show, Harmonious. So we didn't want to miss that. So we said we'll do Hollywood Studios in the morning, Epcot at night for the fireworks show. Now that's going to lead me into my next tip, which is skipping the fireworks if it's a must. So we won't skip fireworks. I'll never skip fireworks. I love the Magic Kingdom fireworks, Epcot's new show, Harmonious, and Fantasmic comes back. They're all really worth it to me. But if you are not someone who really cares too much about fireworks or a fireworks show, skip them. While people are waiting for the fireworks show, lines will decrease insanely. So you will be able to kind of tackle more rides, more popular rides. My last tip, and it's a good one, you have to be okay with not doing everything in Disney World. There's just no way in the world that you're going to be able to do everything in Disney World in 2 days, 4 days. There's just not enough time. Wait lines can get crazy. Children could need naps. You would need to take a break. Your feet could hurt. You need lunch. You want to sit down lunch. I mean, things come up, okay? So just don't be disappointed if you do not get everything done. I understand that Disney World has become extremely expensive, and I know that a lot of people, it's a one-time trip. Some people don't get to go back again. Definitely try to do as much research as you can before your trip. Watch YouTube videos, download the Disney app, and really pay attention to those wait times. Also, I can do a separate video on best times to travel to Disney World because summer ain't it. Just go in with an open mind and just remember to have fun. It's Disney World, okay? Be a kid for a day. Literally run around a magical kingdom and go on rides and eat obnoxious amounts of food because the food is really, really good. So good. I think that is all the tips that I can give for doing Disney World in 2 days. If you guys want to see more tips and tricks videos for Disney World, if you want to see that DisneyGenie Plus video, give the video a thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe. That's a little red button down there. I'll just wait while you press it. Thanks for joining the family. I love you guys so much. I don't know if you guys can tell, Disney World is one of my favorite things ever. But I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.